Now we need to be reading along, so I'm going to have some people help me read, but I will start. Stephanie, I like your enthusiasm. When you are on your scientific notes, put your finger right at the top of that paragraph. There. See, Valentine's there. Mohammed is there. He's ready. Brandon's there. The entire Galileo table is there. Raphael just got there. Everything around us is made of matter. Matter can be solid, liquid, or gas, and is made up of many little things called
atoms.
Atoms. Stephanie, could you pick up from there?
Oh, atoms. Wait.
Atoms?
Where are we at? Oh, atoms are made up of tiny particles called electrons.
Stephanie, voice, please.
Atoms are made up of tiny particles called electrons, protons, and neutrons.
Very good. Look at your diagram for an atom. Why don't you circle that diagram? I have it right here. You notice this diagram, it tells you what each of those things are. An electron is green, it has a little negative sign in it. A proton is blue, and it has a little plus sign. And this neutron has nothing because it's neutral. Follow along, please. There are many different types of atoms in the universe, and each type of atom has its own place on the periodic table of elements. How to read the periodic table of elements? Well, at first glance, it can be very intimidating. Make sure your eyes are up here, please. That's a lot of stuff on there. Look, we even have an example here. Oh, one of my favorite ones, nitrogen. Now, what's important? I'm waiting for two sets of eyes. What is important is that everything in the world is made of one or more of those elements on that table. Everything around you. This table, Valentine, your paper, your pencil, even what is in here. We'll get to that then. All right. So, how to read the periodic table? Get your pencils ready for our notes. Here's one that's really important to us. Oxygen. Now, each element on the periodic table has its own box. I'm waiting for a couple eyes at the Einstein table. Each element on the periodic table has its own box. This box tells you a lot about the element. Here's an important one for us. You're ready to write. Remember, I write, you write. At the top, this number right here is the atomic, have these in your notes, number. This right here, this O alone, it is the element symbol. Like the O in H2O. Every element has these things. Right here, oxygen, it's the word, it is the element name. So it is the full name for the element. Bernardo is his full name. If I wanted to give him a symbol, maybe I would just give him B. Okay. Anyone ever call you B? No? I'm just using this example. Okay, finally, this number here, it's a decimal. This is the weirdest one. There's a reason I underlined number, because it starts the same way. This is called the atomic mass. Or atomic weight. A line in between there. Underline this, please. So there's a lot you can figure out about these elements or atoms just by looking at the box it belongs to. Who can read our second, or the last two paragraphs at the bottom? I would like people to follow along. I'm going to have a couple people read. Summaray, you can start with your nice loud voice.
The atomic, is that how you say it?
Atomic?
Okay. The atomic weight of an element on the periodic table is how much?
Whoa, that's a big number. You don't have to say it, just circle it and go on.
Is a number. That number atoms of element would weigh in grams. Example, about 16 grams of oxygen would contain that number of atoms.
Okay, so eyes up here. This is about 16. 15.999. What this number means is that if I had, everyone put your finger on that crazy big number. If I had that many atoms of oxygen, it would weigh about 16 grams.
What?
Yeah, that's a lot of atoms. You can't count that many.
Mr.
You'd be here for a really long time. Now, the last line. Everyone look at it. This number is so big, we just call it Avogadro's number. It's named after the scientist who discovered it. I would like everyone to say Avogadro's number on 3. 1, 2, 3. Avogadro's number. Okay. So let's do a little cold call. Eyes up here. I would like you guys to flip to your back periodic table here. And I would like you to look at on the left side, there is an element called lithium. Put your finger on it when you find it. Okay, on this page, this page, this page.
What's it called?
Lithium. Put your finger on it when you find it. Brandon, what is the symbol, the element symbol for lithium? L. What is it? Li. Jaden, what is the atomic mass or atomic weight of lithium?
6.94.
6.94. Adrian, what is the atomic number of lithium? 3. All right. Please flip back to your independent practice page. Let's get you started.